No fancy editing, just straight value. And today we're going to talk about something that you don't see a lot of people do, and it's going to make you a shit ton of money, okay? That's why it works too, alright? And before I start, I want to apologize for the fact that I haven't uploaded in like a week. And, you know, this is something that I have used before. I just haven't had enough time to make these videos. I do all of these myself, so I apologize for that. But you're gonna find a lot of value from this, and this is actually even the perfect example, grants, because they're doing this exact thing that I'm gonna mention with you, I'm gonna talk with you about right now. So what you're looking at here is their pop-up and their welcome flow. And it's perfect that it's the welcome flow, because the welcome flow is the most important flow of all, okay? And you need to nail this every single time. So this is what they usually run. This is like their main branding. But if you go to their website today and you click on the pop-up, it looks like this. It looks different, right? And this is what I want to talk about today. Especially considering the offer. This isn't really the best example when it comes to the offer, because they always give 52% off. But let's pretend that this is your brand, okay? And on your main offer, you give like 15% off, okay? But let's pretend that now you're doing a sale, 35% off. You're going to want to show that sale in front of people. Not only because it's a better offer, but because it's also going to change the way your brand looks. And this is really, really good for people that already know and trust you. It's going to be something new to them, and they're going to want to check it out, okay? This is very, very powerful. Now, essentially, the core of this video is to tell you that every single time you do a sale, you need to change literally everything. You need to change the way your pop-up looks. You need to change the way every single flow looks. Mentioning the sale as well. Always mention the sale. Very important. Like, this is so powerful. I do this to all my clients, and it always rips. Usually what most people do, because, you know, it's more work. It's a lot more work, I have to admit. But usually what they do, they put a sale on and they keep everything the same. Don't do that. Do not do that, okay? Just go the extra mile, change every single email and campaigns as well. Change everything to suit your sale. Mention your sale on every single email, even post-purchase flow, everything. And you're going to see a big change in numbers, okay? Very, very important. But what I want to talk about here today is specifically the welcome flow, because the thing that you really must do to see most of the changes, most of the impact, is to change the pop-up and the welcome flow, okay? This is non-negotiable. Very, very important. And this is what I want to talk about today. You know, we got grunts going on here, and they essentially changed the way their branding looks, and they also changed the offer, which in this case is the same, but if they were running a bigger offer, they would put it here, okay? They would definitely put it here. So yeah, this is what I want to talk about today. Quick little video. You know, it really isn't about copy. I like to talk about copy because copy is king. Copy is the most important thing of all. Nothing works without good copy. Keep that in mind. Very important. Because on ecom, most people look at the design and the beautiful colors and all that. But copy is the most important thing, okay? So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this entire thing. I appreciate it. And if you're looking for someone to help you with this on your brand, you are in the right place, because I pretty much study the best of the best. And I improve on it, and I put my own twist on it. And yeah, take this advice into heart, because my God, this is going to make you so much money. It makes a lot of money for my clients, and it's going to make for you too, okay? Thank you for watching, and I wish you an amazing rest of the day. Thank you.